Welcome you all. Today we are going to discuss some useful tips for freshers in hospital administration. If you are new to hospital administration, then watch the video till end. Understand your role. Know your role, how it impacts patient care. Awareness of your responsibilities is a key to success. Communication skills. Communicate effectively. Clear, empathetic communications make it all the difference in patient interaction. Health regulations. Stay aware of health regulations to ensure patient privacy and legal compliance. Embrace technology. Be ready to learn and new tech. Embracing technology will make you a valuable asset. Stay updated. Healthcare evolves rapidly. Keep learning and stay on the top of the latest advancement. Keep these things on your mind and work on it. Stay tuned.